Yeah, I mean, we've learned a couple of things internally from a process standpoint about really working hard on the front end to define requirements. We haven't done as good a job as we should have done in the past. The requirement envelope is wide open, and we're trying to refine that a little bit so that we can say, when we have all this great technology out there and all these different things that we can do, you know, it's like a kid in a candy store, right? So what do we really need to do from a requirement standpoint, and then prioritize that so that we can go after the things that we really need. And then I think the next step is, how do we implement that in a rapid fashion? And just like everybody else in the federal government, we're challenged by acquisition rules, but there's been some creative work done at OPM particularly. Cliff Triplett did a really good job of working on a way to get a couple of players, a couple of 3 players in, and do sort of a bake-off with technology at a really low rate, and then as that's going on, look at, okay, what's the acquisition strategy for this in the long term? Simple things like buying a test on a P card, and then going and getting it, and then while you're doing that, figure out how do you put that into the bigger acquisition process and do it fast. Because if you wait 18 months or 2 years for that acquisition, then you've already lost.
Right.